guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a cheeky little speaker unboxing from the company Divoom, who kindly gifted me another speaker as I did something for them a little while ago when I did their little retro computer one. Today we're going to be reviewing the Zooe speaker and I'm so excited. So I have it right here and it's in a little box. It got to me very safely, so we're gonna open it up and see what this is about. I like that the Divoom company, they have their own packing tape with their company name on it. I just think that's an interesting touch instead of it normally just being the box. I don't know. It's the little things, you know, in packaging. I just think it's a nice touch. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so y'all know me. I did get it in pink. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is just the instruction thing that's in pink. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness, it's got all their cute items. Oh my gosh, the bag, this looks cool. Divoom has so many cute freaking ideas and pixel things. I really like this guy. This kind of reminds me of that game, what was it called? It was really popular. That app, y'all know what I'm talking about. That looks so cute. Oh my gosh. And then yeah, this was the speaker that I did last time for them, which I can link up here if you guys want to peep that as well, because it's super freaking cute. But anyways, I digress as I talking about the pamphlet. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Okay, is there anything else in here? We got a little card. Put the box down. So it is nicely bubble wrapped. We love safe and oh, this is so cute. I still have the bag from the last one. This is so square. There's something really cute. I don't know if it's just me. I love boxes and everything. This is so cute. Also, you might not be able to get it on camera, but there's little shiny hearts. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. And it's a pastel pink. Obsessed with the packaging, and just as I'm saying little hearts, there's little hearts on top here. I'm gonna take the plastic off so it's not reflecting. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, first off, this is the cutest little carrying case ever. I love my other one. Where is it? It's on my shelf right now, but this case is so cute. Look at, can we get it to work? There's little hearts in this ring and it's got their logo Divoom, but this is a little pink pastel case. This is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, it was opening. Am I just crazy? What's happening? Is there a secret button or am I just not strong enough? I don't want to wreck the box. It's so cute, but oh! Wait, hold on. Is this you push here and then okay. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Okay. I was wondering what this little dot here was for. So push, open. No push, no open. So this is so cute. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be the little sister of the one that I have over there. It's definitely smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but oh my gosh, it looks like a little pet. It's got little leggies. This is so cute. Okay, we're gonna take her out of her box. It's got a tail! That's so cute. I'm wondering what this little tushy part's for. We're gonna read the manual and we're gonna find out, but okay. Look at how cute this little... Is this not the cutest thing? Oh, okay, and these spin. That's a button. And then the speaker part is just on top, and obviously this is just a cover for the screen. Shall we peel it off? I think we shall. So satisfying. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I literally can't, and just it sits in my little hand. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright, so obviously the next step is I'm going to charge it up, go become a master, and then we're going to do a full tutorial on how to use the Divoom Zooe. Alright guys, so it has been a few days and I have had a lot of time to check out all the fun little features for the Zooe. One thing that I was really confused on, and if I had just read the manual right away, I would have realized, I was looking around for a port on where to charge it. It's the little tail. You pop the tail out it's right there. There's the charging ports, which I thought was super, super cute. And I didn't mention it. I think I was just too excited unboxing. It does come with the charging port. Obviously, I will insert a little picture. It's underneath the plastic part in the box, which, you know, was just like the other one that we reviewed. But anyways, enough with me talking. Let's zoom in and show you what the Zooe can do. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to your app store, whether that be on Android or Apple, and download the Divoom app, which also goes by the Divoom Pixel Art Community. Ignore that stuff on the top because it is this one right there. And then you're going to want to turn on your speaker. So it is the middle button at the bottom of the screen. You press and hold it, and that turns on your speaker. So once it's on, if you have Bluetooth on your phone, it should connect. But you're also going to want to go in and add the device. Now, once you've added the device, for those that have seen my previous Divoom video, you guys will know this screen well. So these are some that I love and have saved from the last video. But you will notice I can only use the 16 by 16 pixel because the Zooe is a lot smaller, pixel-wise at least, compared to the like computer retro one, but I love that dog one. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. This one though is kind of my fave because it looks like a little animal, like a little pet. I love the little faces. I think they're so cute. But over here in the search tab, you can search through thousands and thousands of designs that creators have come up with. There's so many to pick from, and oh my gosh, I implore all the creators who create these amazing designs. Look at this cute little frog one. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And of course, you can create your very own designs as well, which we will show you later on in the video. So in this section, we have a bunch of tabs that you can scroll through for pixel art and movement and all that fun stuff, and groups and all that jazz. If you want a more in-depth explanation of this part, I will link the original Divoom video, which definitely goes more in depth on this area of the app. But I just want to get to some fun features that I personally use, which is the customizable clock. I love that there are so many different clock options. I do love the rainbow border one. That one's probably my favorite because, you know, rainbow and cute. The other feature is this one here, which allows you to select and play what you want on your screen and set it up. Back on the Explore page, if you hit the Design one, this is another feature that I love, and you can create your very own custom pixel screen. Now, obviously, I'm sure a lot of you can do better than I, but just to show you a little smiley face, now we're going to zoom in and show you some of my other favorite features. So here is the little one. It is so cute. It fits in the palm of my hand. It is absolutely adorable. As I mentioned earlier, here is the port for charging. It's so freaking cute. And then you just push it back in place and you're ready to rock and roll. And on top, we have the button, the menu button, and the two turn twisters, whatever you want to call them. So the middle one is the menu button, and then the front one is the one that you can toggle left or right to go through the menu. And if you press on the toggle, the spinner, then that is select and you can go through. There's games on the Zooe. I think that's so freaking cool. I personally didn't even think the Zooe would be capable of that because there was no button. So I'm like, oh, it's just going to be the cute speaker and then you'll be able to do the designs on it as well. And I'm like, that's really cool. So it's like a smaller, less dynamic, like less features is what I thought it was originally going to have, but it has so many features. Still not as many as the one that we had reviewed before, but for such a little speaker, I was so impressed on how many features there was. So we have music, we have games, we have the clock. This is the alarm, and you can set the alarm. So you want to just twist to the number you want, press down to select, and then it'll add the bottom part. So you can select it again. And then if you press the top, it selects that for you. So that means it would check and it was gonna ring in like 4 minutes, 5 seconds. If you go back into it and then you press and hold that button, it takes it off and the timer is no longer there, which I think is really cool. I definitely should set timers for myself. The other feature that I thought was really cool was this. If you press and hold the back button, you can record a voice memo. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Then you want to press the button again to stop the recording, have it here, and then if you press the button once more, hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It repeats it and then deletes the message. The last thing is the music, so I'm going to show you guys that, and then I'm also going to add on some other really cool features just to the side that you guys can check out. Alright guys, that is all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Divoom Zooe. Of course, I will leave all the links for you guys in the description below so you can get your very own because it is super cute, and I can't get over the little feeties. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. But that's all I have for you guys this time, and I love you a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!